Do you like cooking? What do you cook? I really enjoy cooking, especially after a boring day, after a tiring day. I like cooking because it is relaxing for me. Also, I like cooking because you can cook healthy food. When you go to a restaurant, you cannot trust them. You cannot always trust to the restaurants. But when you cook, you know what you cook, so you know that it is healthy, as long as the ingredients are healthy, of course. Of course, sometimes we like to go to a restaurant, but I try not to go to a restaurant very often because it is expensive, and also sometimes the food you can eat in a restaurant is not 100% healthy. When I cook, I like to try different ingredients so that you can try and experiment different stuff like different vegetables or different spices, etc. And also I like to try different origins, different kind of ethnic food like Syrian food, Middle East food, or Indian food, Italian food, or French food. Usually I like spicy food, so I like chili Thai food. So it is nice to try. And in order to learn new dishes, I like watching some programs, some YouTube videos, or some programs on some various platforms about street food, about different ethnic food, and etc. I think it makes me happy to try different foods, and when you can cook something nice, it makes me feel happy. And of course, it's always nice to share with others. When you cook something nice for your family, it's really enjoyable. Can you cook, and what do you like to cook?
I can cook many dishes, and I like to cook different kinds of meat, right? So chicken, beef, lamb, even fish. Well, we are not too much into fish, but sometimes I like to do it. I think everyone should eat fish. It's very healthy,
Mhm,
more than the other proteins. Okay. So we like chicken a lot. I think we eat too much chicken.
mhm,
I make it in different ways with rice, without rice. I don't know, potatoes or vegetables. Personally, I like vegetables a lot. So my favorite food would be steak with some vegetable or salad. This would be my favorite
mhm.
food. Yeah.
What is your favorite way to cook chicken?
Well, depends on what my family want, but for example, my daughter likes schnitzel,
Oh,
and
excellent.
yeah, she likes chicken breast. So I try to make it in different ways so it doesn't feel like it doesn't taste dry. So schnitzel, or I make it with sauce, potatoes, and I put the chicken inside as well in the oven. Sometimes I fry it and then I make a sauce, tomato sauce, different ways.
Mhm. Okay, excellent. And what about fish? How do you cook fish usually?
Sometimes I fry it, depends on the fish. Okay. Other times I make it in the oven. I like to season it with some spices, garlic, lemon. I really like to cook it with lemon. Yeah, I think it gives it a very good taste with lemon.